Hey guys, it's Fabio here and I'm back with another video. Today is an extremely exciting video, probably the most exciting video of the year because I'm finally going to be reacting to the final portion of Miss Universe 2019 and the coronation moment. If you guys have been following us, you know that Yani and I are apart today, so I'm gonna be reacting on my own because we decided to spend Christmas with our families. But also, if you know us, you know how exciting this moment is for us. Last year, we reacted to Catriona Gray coronation night, and it was absolutely stunning. An incredible moment that we'll never forget. It was so full of emotions that night. And I know this year it's been a wild ride for the contestants of Miss Universe 2019, and I'm so excited and a bit nervous to watch what happened last night. Before I press play, I must say that Catriona definitely stepped up the competition, raised the bar a lot last year, so I don't really know what to expect from this question and answer and all that. Definitely, Yani and I are huge fans of Gazzini, and we saw how she prepared for the question and answer with Boya Bunda. If you want, guys, you can watch the video. I'm gonna link it somewhere. And I'm excited to see if she made it to that portion and what happened. So let's start by watching the top 20 announcement of Miss Universe.
Everybody's right now. They all got a chance. So it's been a long road to get here, and the last part of their journey is still to come. So to cover it all, I knew I
Beautiful suit he has. I love this green and gold. Wow.
And in 1998, she was Miss Teen USA, the oh so talented Vanessa Lachey.
Oh, hello. Gorgeous.
The selection committee, who you'll meet very soon, was given the impossible task of narrowing down 90 contestants to a top 20. And that was based on a week-long preliminary competition that included 3 rounds: the swimsuit, evening gown, and the all-important interview. Well, their votes, along with members of the Miss Universe organization, determined who the top 20 are.
We know how stressful this is, guys. And Yani and I recreated the question and answer portion once, and it was so hard. Okay, here we go.
Now, we're going to announce 5 semifinals.
Okay.
And then a final 5.
Perfect. I know Miss Thailand was beautiful, Gazzini was beautiful, South Africa was stunning.
Here they are, Africa and Asia Pacific.
Okay. Ooh, oh, B-rolls, yes. Oh, look at her. Angola, wow. Yeah. Huh, interesting costume. Ooh. I can't wait to go to Cambodia. China was beautiful this year. So many amazing costumes. I think really recently, like the national costumes are even better than they used to. Israel. Oh yes, Japan props. Ooh. She brought a full elephant on stage. I can't. Oh, a flower. Oh, rice fields. I think. There's so many. How many contestants were in total? I don't remember. Look at her, guys. Yes, eagle. Yes, girls, yes. Oh. Those are so damn creative. Oh, look at Vietnam. No jokes. Wow. Okay, here they are, guys.
Another round of applause for the contestants from
I hope Gazzini makes it.
Pacific region.
Yeah, I definitely think she's gonna make it pretty far into this.
The first semi-finalist
Okay.
from this region
Is? Who is she?
South Africa.
Ooh, yeah, she deserves it. It's gorgeous. Look at her. Wow. Oh wow, a confident walk. I love it. I love the smile. She find the spotlight.
I'm good, Steve. How are you?
Good, I'm wonderful. Here's your question.
Oh, very relatable.
You
Oh,
start out each day by singing very loud.
singing loud?
What's
Okay.
been your go-to song this week?
You know, Steve, to pay up my singing, I like to self-affirm every morning. I look at myself in the mirror and I say, you're beautiful, you're capable, and you're intelligent. So this week I
Wow.
was listening to Brown Skin Girl.
Oh, it's Yani's favorite song lately. He plays it so often, every day.
Thank you, South Africa.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steve.
Oh, she's so relatable. I love her. Oh my God.
Second semi-finalist.
Okay.
From Africa.
Look at Gaz,
Asia
lavender.
Pacific is Indonesia.
Oh, still have three more. Come on, Gaz. You can do it.
I'm amazing right now.
Yeah? Good.
Absolutely.
I'm sweating right now,
You
actually.
tried cryotherapy as a way to help mentally improve yourself for Miss Universe.
Uh-huh.
What does that even mean?
But this-
Well, I wouldn't say mentally, but it's more for my body. So it's basically where you enter a human-sized fridge in nearly freezing temperatures, and it's just to relax your muscles because, you know, us Miss Universe have to work out really hard.
I heard this.
You should try it.
I heard this.
I don't think so.
I love her sass. She's like, just try it. Just try it. I hate cold weather. Come on, guys.
Vietnam.
Oh! Oh!
In your country, you are known as the master of Vietnamese proverbs. Can you share?
I love her national costumes, by the way. Her national.
Steve, I would love to say one is có công mà sắp có ngày nên kim. Can you translate for me, please?
Yes,
Oh! They're so sassy. I love it. I love how relatable and amazing they are. Okay. Come on.
Nigeria.
No!
I've traveled to Africa a lot recently, but haven't been to Nigeria yet. So what's the first thing I should do when I finally make it there?
Well, I saw that you were in Ghana last year, so you definitely need to come to Nigeria soon. But I would definitely recommend for you to come to the Lekki Conservation Center. It's actually Africa's longest canopy walkway, and not only that, but you can get some good Instagram pictures.
Oh,
Thank you
I
very much.
like it.
Nigeria, to represent this region.
Please make it, guys. Please.
Thailand.
No! No! Oh, wait. Oh. Wait, what?
I hear that while preparing for Miss Universe, you were taught to do something called a duck walk.
Duck walk?
Oh,
What's this?
And does it involve?
Comparing to lava walk of Catriona, what is this duck
It
walk?
doesn't involve any quacking, but what it is as an athlete, I needed to learn how to do more hip swings so that I can improve my catwalk. And so what it is you are on high heels. I'm gonna kind of mini demonstrate here. And then you go down and you pop your hips one way and the other. So the reason why it's called a duck walk is because if you walk like that, it kind of resembles looking at a duck like wagging its tail, its butt. So, but no, you don't need to clap when you walk.
It's like quack, 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 quack. Actually, it could help with rhythm. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh, so Gazzini didn't make this one. So you know, guys, how from 90 contestants, they narrow it down to 20. And Gazzini, unfortunately, didn't make it through top 20 so far. But you know how in the very end, there's 5 extra spots? So I'm praying that she makes it in these extra 5 spots that they have available. 5 extra spots. Come on, we can do it.
Tested in the semifinals is
Okay.
Philippines.
Ah! She made it! Oh, look at her playing with the camera. Philippines, come on, Gazzini. Top 20. Oh, thank you. There's a chance. There is a chance. Oh,
How are you?
I'm doing great, Steve. Wow, oh my gosh, that was nerve-wracking.
oh, I bet. Best believe.
They love me there.
It's so
Here's your
fun.
question.
Okay.
I hear you have 5 names.
She has 5 names.
So many.
Well, Steve, my mom named me Gazzini,
Gazzini.
Christiana, Jordi, Apopiado Ganados, and 3 of those is my first name.
Oh my
so
goodness.
Gazzini, which means Gazan, which is from my dad's name. Christiana, because I was actually born after Christmas. So I'm December 26th.
Oh!
So what you guys don't know is that this is a great opportunity for me to shout out to all my friends and family who gives me one gift on Christmas and on my birthday. So,
Ah!
so guys, Steve, I only want one gift this Christmas and my birthday. And I think you already know about that.
Ah! Sassy. Yes, Gazzini. Yes.
We'll see. Thank you, Philippines.
Thank you for making her enter top 20. I was so nervous because I really want her to get to top 3 and hopefully win the crown. So we'll see. The next video is about the top 10 and it's getting more and more stressful. I am rooting for Gazzini, obviously. I love the South Africa queen, Thailand. They look absolutely stunning. So let's keep on going. And let's see what's happening. So top 10, let's see if she makes it through. USA, oh beautiful USA too. Colombia, oh she's pretty, yeah. Puerto Rico, I wasn't, okay. Yes, well, yeah, she's one of my favorite for sure. Oh no! Well, she's pretty. I cannot complain with the pet cow. Can't complain. I love her actually. I really like her. France. Well. Oh, Indonesia. No. Bye. Oh. No. Okay, so she didn't make top 10. She did not make top 10. Well, this is sad. This is sad. I must say that it was an extremely tough call for this one because I don't know, they all look so amazing and they all have personalities. There's not one that you're like, not so much. Like those queens really studied hard, really worked hard to make it to top 10. And Gazzini did an amazing job and her journey was absolutely stunning. There was no hard moments, I feel. Like she always showed beauty and heart and amazing talent. So I'm sure she's gonna keep going for a long time in her journey and in her career. Maybe this one was not the right one for her, but I'm still curious to see what's happening after this and who's gonna win the crown, because at this point I'm rooting for South Africa and Thailand. Top 5, you guys, top 5. Whew, we're getting closer and closer. Wow, look at those gowns. So they all changed and I love the colors I'm seeing. Gold, silver, and this beautiful dark red. Top 5. Look, they resemble the... Thailand, yes! Colombia! Oh. Colombian are always doing so well in this competition. Just like Philippines. 4. Oh! 1 spot remaining. Yes! I am in love with their costume. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the audience. Wow, South Africa. Now, this is Kat's final walk on the stage of Miss Universe. And I am so sure she's gonna give me goosebumps because every time she goes on stage, she's like a star. She's so bright, she's so gorgeous, her heart shines. So let's see what's happening in this one. And what dress she worn? I guess the same one, right? As Miss Universe last year. Let's see.
Now it's time for her final walk before passing the crown to another amazing woman. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray.
Yes. Yes, Kat.
I've always believed that as women, we have the power to redefine our
Oh,
gender.
look at the
We
dress.
raise our voices together.
Oh.
The words woman power become more than just a phrase.
Oh.
I wanted my year to be a reign with purpose.
Yes, gorgeous one.
Quality education for all, to raising awareness for HIV/AIDS. I've strived to use my voice for good.
Yeah.
Thank you to Mom and Dad for always believing in me. Paula and Esther for your mentorship, the Miss Universe organization, and to Team Catriona. Thank you for
Team
the follow-up.
Catriona.
And to my beloved Philippines.
What?
Isang karalangan po ito.
Oh.
You endlessly inspire
Oh.
me and give me hope. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Above all, thank you, God. I lift everything up to glorify and honor
Oh.
you. As I close this chapter, I do so with a grateful heart. To everyone
Grateful
with a dream,
heart.
Know that your dreams are valid, and on your path, you are never denied and only redirected.
Oh, you're never denied. Wow. Yes, Kat. Wow, look at her. Kat is such a beautiful soul, and I have nothing to say but she was probably the best Miss Universe ever. That's what I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Her dress, her everything, it's just so stunning. So I'm gonna check out the next video, and it's the final question and answer round.
As we all know, Miss Universe is not just a title.
Exactly.
The woman who wins that crown instantly becomes a global ambassador.
Yeah, just look at Kat, how great what her journey was and what she did.
Mexico, you're first. Recently, many countries have seen protests in their streets. Some have led to violence. Is protest a positive way to create change?
I believe in the cause. I believe in creating change. And I do believe in raising our voices. We need to be heard. And some of these protests are really powerful and they can create a positive impact. But I do not believe in violence, because violence is always going to create violence. I really believe that what we should do is come together, raise our voices, and make an impact in the best possible way ever. Through this kind of platforms like Miss Universe, through kind of platforms like TED Talks.
Close it.
That's why I'm here, and I really believe that that's what you should do. Thank you.
Wow!
Thank you, Mexico.
It looked like that was a longer time to answer these questions. Wow.
You're next.
Wow, look at it. What she played with the dress. She's like...
Government surveillance is used to keep many nations and their people safe.
Her skin color is
Some
beautiful.
believe this invades our right to privacy. What is more important to you, privacy or security?
That's a very tough question. I believe that every country has their own government policy to keep us safe, and I believe that it shouldn't cross the line of going into our privacy, because we have a right to privacy. But
True.
security is also very important, so I believe that in order to live in a better society, we should also have the government look into a line, a middle ground, as to where they can come and live together.
Wow! Oh, shit! Yes, Thailand! Come through with this answer! Oh my god! That was tough. That was so tough. Come through, really?
Okay, here's your question.
Okay.
Millions of women worldwide lack access to reproductive health care. What do you believe is the most important issue in women's health and why?
Millones de mujeres no tienen
Oh,
acceso,
she has a translator.
no tienen acceso a la salud reproductivo. ¿Qué crees es el más importante tema en la salud de las mujeres y por qué?
Yo creo que lo más importante es que las mujeres podamos decidir sobre nuestros propios cuerpos.
I think the most important thing is that women are able to choose about their own body.
Yeah.
Tenemos que tener la posibilidad de acceder a salud de calidad
We have to have the option to have quality care.
Yeah.
para que cualquier decisión que tomemos sobre nuestro cuerpo, sobre nuestra salud y sobre nuestra reproducción
So any decision we make about our body, about our health, about our reproduction
Okay.
jamás ponga en riesgo nuestras vidas.
will ever put us in risk, especially our lives.
That's true. Oh, good answer. Damn, guys, this year we have amazing answers. Amazing answers.
Social media has empowered people to express their beliefs.
Yeah.
And sometimes those beliefs are intolerant and dangerous.
Yeah.
Should social media platforms respect free speech or regulate what people post?
I most definitely believe that social media can be a positive aspect in our lives. We can share information, knowledge. However, it can be used in the wrong hands and spew negativity and harm many people. So I believe that social media should identify the people who are spewing such negativity and hurting self-esteem on other people to make sure that they're not abusing the system, such as social media. Thank you.
Wow! Everyone, so social media question is always part of Miss Universe because social media is such a huge platform right now where we share things, thoughts, and everything. Wow. Insane, amazing dress.
Are
I
leaders
must
of
say.
today doing enough to protect future generations from climate change?
Climate
If not,
change.
what more should they be doing?
Very current question.
I think
that the future leaders could do a little bit more. But however, I feel like we as individuals ourselves can also play a part in making the climate the way it should be in the future. I mean, we have children protesting for climate, and I feel like as adults we should join as well. We should have corporations join as well, and the government should take it seriously. I mean, from 6th grade, I've been learning that the climate is deteriorating and the planet is dying, and it is up to us to keep our planet safe. Thank you.
Amazing! What? None of them made me cringe. This is crazy. This is so insane. Woo! Tough decision. Tough decision, you guys. Tough decision. Because here, none of them, they're all there. There's not one that is like, her answer was not really good. Her, when they start saying, like you see them thinking, overthinking. No, none of them. They all answer so flawlessly and so amazingly. So right now, I think Thailand is my favorite one as question and answer. Top 3, you guys, top 3. Let's see who's gonna make it. At this point, I'm not really sure. I'm really not sure. That must have been so tough for them. Oh my gosh, so they made it. Oh, I didn't know. I missed one. Okay, so Puerto Rico, South Africa, and Mexico. This is the top 3. So we're gonna listen to the final question and answer portion of these 3.
What is the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today?
Young girls.
Steve, it's very important to teach young girls today the importance of their true value. We see so many perfection in social media, perfect lives, perfect bodies, perfect faces, perfect relationships. Nothing is that real. We have to teach them that who they are is already amazing. Who they are is already worth it. Because what they really are is not what it looks like. It's what they feel, what they act, and the way they react to the world. I believe a girl is worth for what she has to offer to the world way more than the way she looks. Thank you.
Wow, Mexico. So, I never consider Mexico as Miss Universe in this competition, but I have to say she grew me so much, and you can tell she has a beautiful heart.
South Africa, here is your question.
I think the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today is leadership. It's something that has been lacking in young girls and women for a very long time. Not because we don't want to, but because of what society has labeled women.
She went straight to power.
We are the most powerful beings on the world. And we should be given every opportunity, and that is what we should be teaching.
I have goosebumps.
Take up space. Nothing as important as taking up space in society and cementing yourself.
Wow! You know what she shows? Power, strength. Oh my God! Yes, South Africa, come through with this answer. I am still so shocked. She gave me goosebumps.
So many things that I would love to teach young girls if I have the opportunity to be your next Miss Universe, such as in a world where so many people wear masks, it's such a beautiful thing to see an authentic soul. So to embrace your uniqueness, to embrace who you are, because you just don't know who you can inspire just by being you. So celebrate that. Thank you.
Wow, short, but very, very touching. She went straight to the point, no frills, nothing. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final call. Next video it is. I have no idea. I think it's between South Africa and Mexico at this point.
Runner-up for Miss Universe 2019 is Mexico.
Oh, I always wonder what they say to each other in this.
Now we're down to South Africa and Puerto Rico.
Wow. To stunning beauty. Stunning people. Wow, she plays with the camera. It's Puerto Rico.
Only one of you can be crowned our new Miss Universe.
I'm so stressed, guys. You have no idea.
The new Miss Universe is South Africa.
Oh my gosh. She doesn't believe it. Look at Catriona. Catriona, you better practice that crown because I remember with Gazzini what you did. Oh my gosh.
Walk as Miss Universe 2019.
Wow. I am so... to be honest with you guys, this competition was... I hate to say this, but it was even better than last year because I think all the girls were so prepared. Like the level of question and answer was the best I've seen so far, and I really was entertained. I wish I was with Yani reacting to this because I know he loves it as much as I do, or even more. But it was such a beautiful competition, and I'm so happy she won. I'm so happy she won. Honestly, any one of them could have won, but what really came through was the strength and the power of her question and answer about leadership. She said something that it was not related with beauty or showing your soul or all this, which are beautiful things to say, but we heard it many times in the past. She came and she said, I want to teach them leadership. And everyone, I bet in the audience and in the jury were like, because this is something that we've never heard before, and it's so important in this society. It's true. Beauty, soul, and showing who you truly are, those are really important things. Leadership. Wow. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for today's video. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Show us your love. Comment down below. Like this video. Share it with your friends and family. And we love you all. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.